Hello guys, welcome or welcome back. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Today I'm going to show you guys my holiday centerpiece. Stay tuned. All right, let's dive right in. So I picked up 4 gold scalloped edge chargers from Michaels. I got these plates from Dollar Tree. Not even kidding. I got these bowls from Dollar Tree. I am not joking. And this tree skirt, got it from Michaels. It's a mini tree skirt. This cup, Dollar Tree. And this garland is also from Michaels. The 2 teardrops are from Michaels as well. And this Votive candle holder is also from Michaels, as well as this tree and my mini tree as well. So I wanted to do a lower end centerpiece for you guys, just to show you guys you can have a luxury and elegant feel without breaking the bank. So we're going to start by placing our mini tree skirt in the middle of the table. This is going to give us our starting point for the centerpiece. So I used the scalloped edge chargers to make sure I was in the center at all times. I used the scalloped edges to make sure I was aligning the table correctly. All about the visuals. So then we're going to pop our mini tree, our big tree, and Votive candle holder right on top of that tree skirt, covering up the hole in the center. We're going to bend down the holder for the teardrop wreath, and we're going to pop that on an angle for me because my table is shorter. If your table is longer, you can keep it straight, but for me personally, I need it on an angle for my chargers to fit comfortably and not look congested. So you have 2 options for this. As you go along, adding your plates and your bowls, you'll be able to adjust the centerpiece teardrop wreaths as you need to. So don't hesitate to move them around and make it fit the way it should comfortably. And I don't have all the pieces for my Tablescape just yet, but I did want to hold off doing the video for you guys. So I will be posting finished pictures on my blog just so you guys can check it out and hopefully be inspired for the holiday. Now we're going to take our garland, and this is literally the last piece of the centerpiece, and we're going to drape that over the teardrop, and we're going to put it in between our 3 items in the middle and drape it towards the end. This is going to pull all of the golds on the table together. It's going to make the teardrops go right together with the chargers and the trees. So it brings everything together. It's the perfect touch. And literally that is it. 7 pieces for a gorgeous centerpiece. You do not need to break the bank. You do not need to spend a ton of money. I mixed Dollar Tree items with Michaels craft store items, and it turned out beautifully. I'm so excited to be almost complete with it. I'm waiting for my napkins and a few ornaments to sit inside my bowls, and I will let you guys know when the pictures are up. Thank you guys so much for joining me. It is greatly appreciated every single time. And until the next video, until the next DIY, I will catch you in the next one. Bye.